let's make some confit de tomate pasta. We have few ingredients, but we will choose a quality ingredient to have all the flavor. So let's start with the tomato. A cool trick with the tomato: put it in between two lids like this. Use a very sharp knife. Run it in the tomato in a nice plate. Put all the tomatoes, and just to make pretty, put the tomato on the vine, just like this in the middle. And it's good if you can use different kind of tomato, make more different flavor. And next we need the garlic. That was fast. Put the garlic all over the tomato. Now we need to season this with salt and pepper. For the aromatic, we'll use rosemary and thyme. And then just roughly cut everything together like this. Next is gonna be the oil. You need a good quality of olive oil. This is a balsamic glaze. It will put some.
A few moments later.
Maybe we're gonna have it by today. So this will add a little bit of sweetness in the tomato. Here we go. Wow. My scusi. Oh. My scusi. Put this in the oven. 250 Fahrenheit. 3 hours, and while this is cooking, we'll do something else, like a nap. Ooh, look amazing. Let's put the pasta in a bowl. I have here some bocconcini, parmigiano reggiano, and the secret ingredient, crunchy prosciutto. Okay, so let's try this now. I'm gonna take a bite of everything here. Wow! It's so good! How do we pair this dish? Well, of course, with an Italian wine from Niobello. And let's pair this with a nice Italian wine from Italy.